Okay, you guys, so today we will be going to Google Scholar. This is what we're going to be working on for our next assignment. So we have been working on the Enlightenment for world history, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new browser because I want you guys to use scholarly articles in order to research our topic for the Enlightenment, right? So I need you guys to, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new browser. So open up right here, new tab, and then what you're going to do is you're going to type in Google Scholar. Google Scholar. Okay, once that is typed in, you should see Google Scholar right here. Okay, and then once you click on Google Scholar in your search, you're going to click in the search engine, the Enlightenment. Okay, so this Google Scholar search engine, the Enlightenment. Make sure you spell it right. Okay, and a bunch of these should pop up. So you should be seeing a full range of these popping up. There are a lot of articles that are available that are talking about the Enlightenment. So there's a lot of things that you guys can choose from. And the good thing is that on the side over here, on the side, you can see PDF. And that's going to be really important if you want a longer text to cite from. That just straight up downloads it, right? So that's something that we can have that is good for your presentation, your research. So the first thing that I'm going to do is look for a pretty good book. Let's see. I'm seeing the Enlightenment. It says book here. So this looks like it might be pretty good. There's a lot here, though. There's a lot of different things that you can pick from. But something that has a pretty good thing right here. So click the Enlightenment. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to use your Diigo tool. You're going to use your Diigo tool to cite, to highlight stuff in here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into this book. So like for me, I chose this. I'm going to read and annotate, right? Read and annotate. Okay, so I'm going to look for some important things in here. So it is helpful to follow Kant's lead and to think about the Enlightenment as a series of interlocking and sometimes warring problems and debates. That sounds really interesting. So I'm going to use my highlighter tool with Diigo, just like we guys have been going over for the past week. You guys are going to highlight this, and then you're going to make your annotations. Important note. Okay, perfect, and it made your annotation. So you're going to go through your documents and do this, and this is how you're going to make your notes for your research presentation. So go ahead and go through this, and make sure you watch this video to reference everything. Okay, go ahead.